Jones intraday chart. The index fell 309 points. We are at a major consolidation level. We made the highs and we're testing that support level. So 37,430 is going to be that short-term support. If we break it, then we're going to come right at 37,165. Down here at 36,055 would be the next support level. Once again, we have a daily sell signal on the daily chart. It's not a buy signal. So once again, we're at the major top. Learn how to trade the Dow 30 stocks. When the Dow falls 300 points, it's the 30 stocks in the Dow component that are selling down. That's exactly where we go to find big short trades when the Dow is falling. In the Dow 30 losers, that's how we get our trades. Once again, join our live trading room with Tommy Trader. We will give you the entry, the exits, and the stops along with the profits. We will manage your account with you. We will power your profits. And once again, we have great programs. Just sign up for the free 5-day trial and learn what those programs are right now today.